Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Copyright protects original works for the creator's lifetime plus 70 years. On YouTube, platforms enforce copyright with content ID matches and takedown notices. A claim can block, mute, or monetize your video immediately. You must assume ownership unless you have permission or a license. Fair use exists as a legal defense, not a right you can assert freely. Fair use is determined case by case and by courts evaluating 4 distinct factors. Always ask the copyright owner for written permission or obtain a license. Use licenses like Creative Commons and follow terms such as CC BY or CC BY NC. Keep a copy of the license and written consent in your records. Remember that fair use depends on 4 factors, not on a percentage or a specific time limit. Those 4 factors examine purpose, nature, amount, and market effect. YouTubers commonly misunderstand fair use as a simple rule. Transform content significantly and add original commentary to strengthen a fair use claim. Simple cropping or short clips rarely qualify as sufficient transformation. Always provide clear attribution, although attribution alone does not replace permission or a license. If you plan to monetize, obtain explicit written permission or use stock, royalty-free, or licensed media. Keep detailed records of permissions, licenses, timestamps, and correspondence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.